This is a weather emergency. Salem is under the gun. We expect a killer storm, crippling, potentially historic blizzard. Don't panic, but be very afraid. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning. Upwards of 60 to 90 centimeters of snow is expected, along with hurricane-force winds at times. The worst of the storm is going to be Monday night through Tuesday. Things are going to start to get rough pretty early on Monday evening. At Market Basket, rioting and fires are a possibility. My understanding is that the National Guard is on standby. I attempted to get through to the President. As usual, the White House switchboard was uncooperative.
Habemus papam. We don't have a pope. We've got glazed popums. As a snack or a meal, glazed popums are a real indulgence.
The commander of Salem Chess Club has issued a proclamation that he's asked me to read. This applies to all members, candidate members, and prospective candidate members of Salem Chess Club, and these are guidelines that all chess players may wish to follow. First, secure all chess pieces. White pieces are especially vulnerable in situations like these, but in a blizzard like this, even the black pieces are not safe. All rules of chess continue to apply, including the en passant rule. And finally, all members, candidate members, and prospective candidate members should get ready to sharpen their knives and enforce the third rule.